Lathe Bed Type Structure and Selection Guide. In machine tool construction, the lathe bed serves as the core foundation component. The choice of bed structure directly impacts the lathe's application range and machining performance. The lathe bed, constructed from high-strength cast iron or welded steel, provides essential load-bearing capacity and rigidity to withstand cutting forces. It also ensures long-term precision retention and durability through heat treatment, safeguarding the machine tool's accuracy and longevity. The types of lathe bed mainly include the following. The flat bed, featuring a simple horizontal design with a large cross-section, offers stable support for heavy components. It is a cost-effective and durable choice, commonly found in both conventional and large CNC lathes. The slant bed, angled 30-60 from horizontal, ensures smooth chip evacuation and enhanced rigidity for high-precision CNC turning. While more costly than flat beds, it is ideal for automated, high-volume production of small to medium parts due to its superior stability and precision. The Gap bed features a removable section near the spindle, expanding its turning diameter for oversized workpieces. This flexible design, common on conventional lathes, is ideal for maintenance and small to medium workshops handling diverse tasks. The lathe bed is simply the bed. It is not just the bed guideway. Many individuals searching for lathe bed types confuse the lathe bed itself with the bedways. In reality, the bed constitutes the integral base structure, while the ways are the guiding surfaces on the bed. The bed of a lathe refers to the overall basic structure of the lathe, and the bed guideway refers to the guiding surface inside the bed body.